CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock predictions for Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this quick short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 45,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, so I have seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with where things are. There is no doubt in my head that if I have a confirmation, I'm looking to buy, right? And there's no doubt in my head that it could happen. But the big part is that as we're sitting here waiting, there's no reason why the heck would I go in beforehand, if that makes sense. I mean, yeah, with like CRCL, I do have a bunch of receipts. There's a lot of in the Discord. Oh, my bad. It's just wrong. CRCL. I have like 49 receipts in the Discord right there. So it's really like there's not lack of coverage on this. And especially where things are now. We're entering a demand zone. This is going to be juicy AF for me. So only if I see those shifts above 152 would I look to take things up. Everything else is noise, and I'm just focusing on other tickers in the meantime. So if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.